Just a couple more things before you begin working on your first assignment. To delete an object, you can select the object, right click, and choose delete, and it magically disappears. Or you can hit the letter X on the keyboard and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? And you can click that. So either right click delete, or hit the letter X to delete. So in fact, let me delete this. Okay, so to add an object, again, make sure you're in object mode and we're in the layout workspace. Here's the word add. Just click on it, and don't worry about all this other stuff that's going on here. For right now, you're just going to worry about mesh, and then we can add a cube, circle, cylinder, whatever, cone. So let's just add a sphere. Okay. The other thing that you'll be doing in your first assignment is smoothing out the sphere. So with it selected, you can right click and you can choose shade smooth, and it smooths it out. Let me make a couple more objects just to show you something here. And let's make a cone. Okay. So let's say you're working and everything's going along fine, and but like you, for some reason, I don't know, like you get your camera like and this could happen. I mean, like you'll be working and you'll have a whole bunch of objects, and then you'll say, well, where the heck is my cylinder? I can't find it. And you'll zoom in and out and everything and pan, can't find, what you can do is over here in the outliner, select the object that you want to find. Okay, and then go to View, Frame Selected. Okay, and then there we are. Then you can kind of reorient get to where you want to go again. So let me do that again. Okay, let's zoom way out here. Again, so like suppose you have a whole bunch of objects. You want that sphere. I don't know where the heck my sphere is. I can't find it. Go over into your outliner. Choose the object you're looking for. Go to View, Frame Selected. And if you want like a more coherent view of everything that you're doing, you can always go to View, Frame All. And then that usually will put you back to where you want to be.